Hey guys, welcome to Belgrade Auto Show. In front of us is the new Citroen Ami. This is a fully electric little car. It kind of reminds me of the Smart when it launched, but it's not even close to Smart because this is just like a plastic box on wheels connected to a battery, and I don't know, it's funny, but I've been ignoring this car since Munich EAA when it was launched. But I guess you might be interested in seeing one. So we have a standard version. This one's like a sport package, and then we have the cargo version on the rear. You can see the front one. This sport package has the black badge on the top and this bumper. The other one doesn't. I'm gonna focus on this one, then I'm gonna show you the difference on the other one. So on the front and the rear of this car, it looks exactly the same. So if I do a little walk around of this car, you can see that front and rear are identical. Look at this. If you remove the spoiler, you don't know where's the beginning, where's the end. Look at this. Besides looking at the taillights, these are your turn signals. And then coming to the front, again, turn signals and headlights. So I don't know, it looks a little cute car, but honestly I wouldn't feel safe in this car, and I'm gonna show you why. There's a one wiper here on the front. I don't think you can open the front. If you can, I really don't know how. It comes on this small steel wheels with the plastic hubcap, so it's 155/65 R14. And what's interesting, you also have a glass roof. It's not tinted though. You have this spoiler. This feels like really rubberized, but it's just black plastic and then some sort of colorized plastic. I'm not sure how this is gonna look when it fades out on the sun for the years. Then you have like really retro side mirrors there. And so on the driver end, you have the suicide door. So you press here, you can unlock the car, you press in, it opens up the front doors, and that's it. On the other side, you have normal doors. So let me just go to the other side. So on this end, it's normal. It's where you would expect it on a modern vehicle. Now, just to show you why I don't feel safe in such a car. So you can see plastic here, and there's like nothing saving you if you get T-boned. There is like a frame chassis, but if someone T-bones you directly into the doors, I wouldn't want to be in the car, honestly. This is to pull to close. You can open this by pressing down here, and then you pop the window. You can just extend it all the way there, or just pop it back and it just clicks. This is to pull to close, and from this end you can unlock from the inside. You can see here you can put here you have like a rubber mat. You can put a carry-on case there. There's like a net here. You can put your groceries here. And from this end, you can see you need a physical key. There's like a smartphone holder here, heater, fan. I don't think there's AC here, and you have hazards and one USB-A. There's a little room behind the seats. There's a washer fluid behind there, like, I don't know, some circuits. And the seats, the passenger seat is fixated. This is soft, but God forbid you hit this is very hard. So I'm gonna come to the other side and just jump in the car. Also, no tint, no heaters on the rear, so with no AC, I don't know, this car can get really condensated. So over here is the same. I'm gonna actually pop this window so I don't get suffocated inside. And look at this. This is like drive, neutral, reverse. That's where you operate the automatic. You can slide the front seat. So that's it. And this is how you open. There's a cup holder here and a Bluetooth symbol. Now, get in there. And let's hear the closing sound. So it's a solid closing sound. If I zoom to wide lens, you can see the interior. You have this interesting steering wheel. It's rubberized, and there's no airbag, so you die like a man. There's no need for protection, like in, die like a man. I don't know. This looks freaky. I mean, it's a little bit scary, honestly, when you think about it. If you get crushed in this car, I wouldn't want to be inside. Of course, they reinforced this, but actually this is plastic. This is reinforced, so it definitely would be an interesting point of view driving in, seeing all of this retail space with the glass. But it's definitely interesting there. Okay, zooming back in. So you have this small screen. If I turn on the hazards, it kind of just shows the electronics, and that's it. And you have like this is like adjustable here, and all of this can be removed, and over here as well. So it's like, I don't know, you can get it in different colors. That's the air vent, I believe, and that's it. You can see the inside is like a frame, so if you tip over, it's gonna hold together. But I don't know if the glass breaks. I believe this is safety glass, but still. And then you can open or close this. You can see like view through the side mirrors. I guess you need to like manually adjust them, you know, if you want to see that. And then if you like open this one up, you can like adjust that one, sort of, so you can see that. It's definitely interesting, but I don't know. Seatbelt is not adjustable, it's here. So tell me in the comments, what do you think about this car? I don't know. Besides the safety part, I mean, this is street legal, but I'm not sure if I would want to take this on the road. And I think when you check the cargo version, I'm not even sure how to close this properly. If you check the cargo version, I'm gonna show you. It's, how would I say, you're gonna see the purpose of this car. So just to show you, it's a fully electric car, 5.5 kilowatt hour battery. That's a really small battery. Has autonomy of 75 kilometers. I guess this is a VLTP. I'm not really sure in the real world if you would get like 60. Maybe you would get something around 70, and takes 3 hours to charge. I assume it's an AC. I didn't even saw where the plug is, to be honest. So, that's interesting. Where's the plug on this car? That's an interesting question. I haven't figured it out, to be honest. So, pressing things, maybe it's gonna pop up somewhere, but no. So, this is the concept of the car. But where is the outlet? It's an interesting question. I assume it might be somewhere in the front. You can see like some sort of parts there, but I honestly don't know. Okay, let's show you the cargo area. There's a gentleman watching the cargo version, so I'm gonna wait for him to finish up. So continuing on with the cargo version, so you can see it doesn't have painted bumper, it's just all gray plastic. But if I come to this end, you're gonna see what's the purpose of this car. So as you can see, you have like a shelf here. So imagine you can put a clipboard here. This is something you would use on an airport as a shuttle car. You could put this up, but it seems that you can take it out as well. And then you can see here, there's a luggage room. There's like a tether points here and here, and I'm not sure. Oh, this goes like this. Yeah, so you can put that in there. There's a room for luggage. There would be room for a seat here, and you can, I guess, push in here to open this. So there's like a little compartment there, and so I'm not sure if this is a charge port. I mean, honestly, actually I opened it. So definitely washer fluid. You can actually see through. Oh my god. I don't think this is a place to charge the car, and I haven't figured out honestly where the plug is. But you can see this extra divider is added to the cargo one, and over here same, just different colors. So push this back in. That's the purpose of the cargo version. So I'm assuming, you know, that this could be an airport car. So you can use this one to taxi people, and you can use this one to taxi luggage for like priority people. So definitely all the same looking there, and of course you have your like turn signals that I just showed you. Turn signals, intervals, and yeah, the rest is pretty much the same in this one. Let me just get inside. Switch to wide lens. I think the seat could go a little bit, whoops, like that, and you can see that. So it definitely looks like you're in an airport. Just I'm missing the reflective vest, but yeah, that would be it. But no AC. Imagine all this glass and a lot of sun in the summer. That's crazy. So I hope you have AC, but I don't think they've managed to fit AC inside this car. So that's it. That was the old Citroen. If you know where the charging port is, please do leave a comment below, and I'm going to read it definitely. I can't figure out where the charge port is in this car, honestly.